Hello everyone, today we'll be making Bhindi sabji or lady's finger, or in some countries it is also known as okra. In a wok I have taken about 2 tablespoons of mustard oil and I'll fry the chopped bhindi. Also I'll fry the onion. One onion has been cut into 4 halves. Now keeping it aside, now in the same mustard oil I have added few cumin seeds, few fenugreek seeds or methi, and few mustard seeds. Now I add chopped onion and 2 chili. I have also added the puree of 1 tomato. Mix it up well and now add the salt as per your taste. About half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of cumin powder and coriander powder. Now I add in the bhindi or lady's finger and the onion. Mix it up well so that the masala coats the bhindi. Once it gets coated well, we can then cover it and cook it until the bhindi is soft. I've also added some garam masala when the bhindi was about 70% cooked. And there you go. After about 3 minutes, your bhindi sabzi will be ready. Hope you liked it. Thank you.